Uh, Whoa! Be careful. Oh, shoot. Where you going? Okay, be careful now. Thank you, Kamiya, for subscribing. Thank you. It's cold here. It's still daylight. It's at the pool. It's kind of cold, so we cannot. Oh, there's a bee on the pool. Oh. Okay, play now. It's wet, anak. Don't do it, anak. Julin, it's wet. Don't do it. No, don't do that. It's gonna hurt. Just leave it there. You might go by accident. Please don't. Thank you. Hello, Shalane. Take two. Nawala kanina. Ooh, lamig guys. Ang lamig na. It's too cold. It's cold. Do you guys wanna go inside now? Jelana, it's cold. Shh. Jelana, don't do that. Okay, jump now. If you're not jumping, then let's go inside. It's really cold. It's 8 a.m. here. 8 p.m. It's gonna be 8 p.m. Oh, be careful. What happened? No, you just next time just look where she's going. Okay. Jelana, we'll go inside now. If you guys fighting, okay. No, please, but be aware where she's going though. Thank you, Shalane. Dami pa ring ano, no? Angels na nanonood. Oh, non-stop. Julie, don't do that. Please don't. You're in the video. Oh, it's 8:44 here.